Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to mark a channel as read on the Telegram app on your PC, using the new update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Next, look through your chat list on the left side and find the channel that you want to mark as read. Once you've located it, move your mouse cursor over the channel's name. You'll see a small arrow symbol appear next to it. Click on that arrow, or if you prefer, right-click on the channel to open a context menu. In the menu that pops up, you'll find an option labeled Mark as Read. Click on this, and Telegram will clear the unread notification for that channel immediately. This is a quick and effective way to keep your message list tidy without opening every message individually. Marking channels as read helps you stay organized, especially if you follow many channels or if you've been away from the app for some time. It cuts down on notification clutter and lets you focus on the messages you really want to read. Remember, this method works specifically on the PC version of Telegram with the latest updates. Using this feature regularly will improve your Telegram experience by managing your channels efficiently and keeping your chats clean. Try it out now. Open Telegram, find your channel, hover to reveal the arrow or right-click, and select Mark as Read. Simple, fast, and helpful to keep your messaging organized. Thanks for listening.